you didn't forget about it. You just didn't want to tell me. So let me tell you a story about whether you want to say a client lied or just wasn't forthright, however you want to state that, is we're getting ready to do a mediation with the other side. Actually, it was an arbitration, which was binding. The other side had called me and said, hey, your client had a workers' comp case. She got injured at work. A whole cabinet fell on her back, and she was out of work for 6 months, and she got a workers' comp recovery. And how come you're claiming this as a new injury? So now I look like a jackass. The next morning is when we're having this arbitration. When I confronted the client, she said, oh, I forgot about that. Really? You didn't forget about it. You just didn't want to tell me. We were lucky because the other side called me and said, how come you didn't want to discuss this part? And I had to act like I knew. But had the other side not told me and discussed it with me the night before, because he was trying to resolve the case, we would have walked into the arbitration. She would have looked like a liar. All our damages, what we claimed happened as new injuries, would have been shown that it wasn't new injuries, and it would have greatly affected the amount of award. So be upfront, be honest. We can deal with it when we have the time. I can't deal with it in the 25th hour.